In this video, I will show you how to generate Suno AI songs using your own voice.
Feel the pulse inside my chest. City lights begin to blur.
Feel the pulse inside my chest. City lights begin to blur.
All you need is 2 minutes of your time. No need for a fancy setup or to be a good singer. Let's get started. As you might already know, Suno AI does not let you directly use your own voice on their platform. However, that doesn't mean you couldn't do it elsewhere. I have tested a bunch of AI tools that will let you add your own voice into your Suno songs, and I found this tool called Controlla to be the best. To use this tool, you just need 15 seconds of audio of yourself singing. Here's how. First, create a song with vocals using Suno AI. Then download your song. Then head over to the Controlla AI voice swapping page. And by the way, you will find a direct link to this page in the description of this video. To get the best and the most accurate results, you can choose the Studio Models feature. However, this would require you to sing for at least 10 minutes in front of your microphone for the AI to train your professional voice clone. But to save you from the hassle, just use the instant voice clone feature. It is much easier and faster, yet it gives you pretty insane results. To use this feature, click on Instant Clone and hit record. Then just sing your favorite song for 15 seconds. And obviously you can also upload an existing audio clip of yourself singing from the past. Either way, once that's done, upload your Suno AI song to the view below. And then just click Swap Voices. Then wait for a minute and enjoy your result. Let me show you my results. So here's the original Suno AI song.
Feel the pulse inside my chest. City lights begin to blur.
And here is the Suno AI song with the vocals on it.
Feel the pulse inside my chest. City lights begin to blur. Lost in this rhythm, put it to the test.
And by the way, if you feel shy in front of your microphone, you can just speak to this tool and it will still work pretty decently. So as a second attempt, I just spoke to the microphone in the swap voice feature, and here's the song that I got back.
Feel the pulse inside my chest. City lights begin to blur.
As you can hear, it sounds pretty awesome considering I just spoke to the microphone instead of singing. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Now for the best results, I recommend you using your raw vocal track instead of uploading your full song into this view. And that is actually surprisingly easy to do, since you can download an isolated voice track version of your song directly from Suno AI. To do this, navigate to your Suno library, click on the three-dot menu for one of your songs, select Get Stems, and download the isolated vocal track. Then head back to Controlla AI, repeat the previous steps, and instead of uploading your full song, just upload the isolated vocal track. But notice that if you do it this way, it will only swap your voice with the vocal track, which means that you will need to edit it back into your song. And as I already showed you, I just used my full song and swapped my voice with it, and it worked out pretty nice. Anyways, that is how easily you can use your own voice in your Suno AI songs. Considering it only took like a minute of my time, it is super impressive. Just sign up to Controlla AI using my link in the description and start to create your Suno songs with your actual voice. I hope you liked this quick tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.